Tell me what is X here?
Mm,
Now what is X here? If X is
7.
minus 7,
Yes, 7.
is we cannot say what is X here. We cannot say. Now suppose I am giving X is equal to 8. If X is 8, what is X here? This is called expression. An algebraic expression we cannot solve, but an equation we can solve. This is an equation. This is an equation we can solve. Equation we can solve. Algebraic expression we cannot solve. That means some statement in math. That is algebraic expression. I told you before, algebraic expression means express something in math. I'm remembering that I told you before, express something in math. Okay. There may be constant and variables. Constant and variables. So suppose y minus 10. This is an algebraic expression. We cannot say what is the value of y. Y is equal to no. Now suppose I am giving y is equal to 8. We know the value y minus 10, that means 8 minus 10, that is minus 2. What I told, an expression we cannot solve, but an equation we can solve. Equation has solution. Linear equation, two variable, many ways we did. Linear equation in one variable, sorry. Linear equation in one variable. Now here I am talking about algebraic expression. That means express something. Then we can see here after the next page, terms, factors and coefficients. After heading, write there all of your terms. Terms of an expression. Write the terms. Terms. Terms of an expression. Write the subheading terms. 3y plus 4. It is an algebraic expression. Here, in your opinion, how many terms are there? 3y plus 4 terms. Look here. Here 1 plus is the 3y plus 4. This is a one term, this is a second term. Listen. Suppose x minus ab plus 2. Here 1, 2, 3 terms are here. Here 2 terms are here. Then 7 monkey 7m. Here 1 term, 2 terms, 3 terms, then 4 terms, 5 terms, like that. Terms. That means in an expression, sometimes we can see 1 term, sometimes 2 terms, 3 terms, 4 terms, 5 terms, like that. So one thing, be careful. Terms are separated by addition. Here, how many terms? One term. Here, 2 terms. Here, 3 terms. Am I right or not? Now, here 1 plus, here minus and plus. That means terms are separated by addition. You know, subtraction means change the sign and add. This I can write s plus minus ab plus 2 plus plus. That means how many plus are there? 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3 terms. 1 plus 1, 2 terms. 1 term. Okay. That means algebraic expressions are formed by terms. Algebraic expressions are formed by terms. First thing, terms. Expression terms are added to form expressions. Underline that, all of you. All of you underline terms. You can see 4s plus 5. This expression is made up of two terms, 4x and 5. Then terms are added to form expression. ബോർഡിൽ എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട് അവിടെ അണ്ടർലൈൻ ചെയ്യും terms are. Here one term I told you. Now here two terms, three terms. Terms are separated by addition. Terms themselves can be formed as the product of factors. Listen here, you will confuse. Sir, 7m. 7 is there, m is there. What is the operation sign here? You the operation sign. 7
into
then you have plus or minus on top. What is the operation sign?
into
Into. We can write this one 7 into m. This is under term I confusion arcade. Terms are separated by addition, not multiplication. Now listen here one term 7 into m or 11 into ABC. എത്ര ടേം ഉണ്ട് ഇവിടെ? This I can write 11 into A into B into C. എത്ര ടേം ഉണ്ട് അവിടെ? Here how many terms are here? തെറ്റിക്കൊണ്ട് പറഞ്ഞോളൂ എത്ര ടേംസ് ഉണ്ട് ഇവിടെ?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 11 is a term, A is a term, B is a term, C is a term. That is, it is correct. 4 term illa, only 1 term. Terms are separated by addition. Where addition undo? Into one family. This is mono, one term only. One term only. Here no addition or subtraction. Terms are separated by addition. And multiplication no. One term will multiply. That's what we see. Terms themselves can be formed as the product of factors. The term 4x is the product of the factors 4 and x. 5 is made up of the one factor 5. 7m. 7 into m. Term നമുക്ക് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് ആക്കാൻ പ്രശ്നമില്ല. A into B into C, that is ABC, that is one term only. 100 into X into Y into Z into D. Decimal is a one term. സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ചെയ്യണ എന്തുണ്ടെന്ന് നോക്കണ്ട, എന്തുണ്ട് നോക്കണ്ട ടേമിൻ്റെ ഇടയിൽ. ഏത് സൈനാ? ടേമിൻ്റെ ഇടയിൽ ഏത് സൈനാണ്? സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ആണെങ്കിൽ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ എവിടെ കാണും? അതുകൊണ്ട് അത് ഒരേ ഫാമിലിയാണ്. Plus. That means all of you write the terms are separated by terms. Right? Terms are separated by addition. Either terms are separated by addition. Terms are separated by addition. അതന്നെ ഷോർട്ടിൽ അവർ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത് terms are added to form expression. ഞാൻ എന്ത് പറയുന്നു? Terms are separated by addition. Now, example 1. First example 8m. One term only, one term. 8m, one term. 8m, 8 into m, so don't confuse, that is one term only. Second example ഒരു രണ്ട് ടേമിൽ ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞേക്ക് രണ്ട് ടേം ടു ടേംസ് വൺ ടേം I told you two terms
7y plus
okay
3.
3 ഇവിടെ ഈ എക്സാമ്പിൾ തന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇത് ആഡ് ചെയ്യാം avoid confusion see here one example second example listen here suppose 27xyz എത്ര ടേം ഉണ്ട് ഇതിൽ
1.
one term because terms are separated by addition now third one second case third one 1 2 1 2 third one 9 x minus 3 9 into x minus 3 ഏതൊക്കെയാണ് ഇതിലെ term which are the terms here it is a two terms binomial is monomial binomial എത്ര term ഉണ്ട് രണ്ട് term ഏതെല്ലാമാണ് term which are the terms ഇതിലെ term
9x and 3. And 3.
and 3 terms are separated by addition. I told you terms are separated by addition. This is here two terms. Two terms. Which are the term? 9x and 3 are the term. 9x and we can say minus 3 separated by addition. 9x and minus 3 are the terms. Now 5l plus m minus n by 2 half n. എത്ര ടേം ഉണ്ട് how many terms three terms ഏതെല്ലാം which are the terms three terms are here three terms ഏതെല്ലാമാണ് terms
5l
5l and
m
minus
minus
ഇത് നമ്മൾ ഇങ്ങനെ എഴുതാൻ പറ്റും 5l plus m plus minus n by 2 terms are separated by addition that means 5l is the first term second term minus n by 2 the third term. Here one term 27 into x into y into z one term only. Okay, I think you understood the terms. ഈ example ഇവിടെ first term 9x. This 9 is called coefficient of x. Class 1 പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട് coefficient of x 9. What is the coefficient of L here? Coefficient. കേട്ടില്ലേ coefficient sufficient അല്ല coefficient ഉള്ള ടേം സെവൻത്തിൽ കേട്ടില്ലേ coefficient ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ coefficient what is the coefficient of x 9 coefficient of L here
5.
what is the coefficient of n here
2.
no minus half this 1 by 2 into n അല്ലേ minus half coefficient I don't note the coefficient look here 3y minus 2x what is the coefficient of y 3 is the coefficient of y what is the coefficient of x
2.
no minus 2
Minus 2.
minus 2 now suppose this is m 3y minus 2x plus m what is the coefficient of m
plus
Plus of 1
m
plus 1 into m and 1 into m. Coefficient of m is 1 here. Understand? 1. Coefficient is
Yes.
1. Like that. Here, this is minus half. So what you understood coefficient? That means the numerical just before that variables. See, L 5 is the variable. Here, M 1 is the variable. 1 into M. അവിടെ കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ആവണ്ട മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ മീൻസ് വൺ ടേം ആണ് എക്സ് വൈ സെഡ് എല്ലാം പിന്നെ അടുത്ത് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞത് കോയിഫിഷ്യൻറ്റ് കോയിഫിഷ്യൻറ്റ് മീൻസ് ദ ന്യൂമറിക്കൽ ദ നമ്പർ ഇല്ലേ ബിഫോർ ദ വേരിയബിൾസ് അതാണ് കോയിഫിഷ്യൻറ്റ് ഓൾ ഓഫ് റൈറ്റ് ഇതുണ്ട് ടെസ്റ്റിലുണ്ട് the numerical factor of a term is called is coefficient simply coefficient numerical factor of a term numerical factor of a term that is called coefficient. Now write one example numerical factors of a term that is called coefficient. Write an example. Example I am writing here. Maybe you cannot see down. 3y minus 5x. So coefficient of, write the coefficient of y is equal to coefficient of x is equal to, write it. Coefficient of y, coefficient of x only. What is coefficient of y? Write there.
1
3y minus 5x. What is coefficient of y?
3
3. Now minus m. I need the coefficient of m also. Write that. All of you complete the coefficient.
yes
Completed? Okay. What is coefficient of x?
minus 5
Minus 5. Coefficient of y is very clear, that is 3. What is coefficient of m?
minus 1
Minus 1. Very good. Minus 1. So you understood coefficient. One more thing, fact is. Then we can find it because time is running, I think so. Fact is. We told terms are added to form expression can be the product of factors. Now write the factors. Factors. Look here. 3xy. We know that is 3 into x into y. Here 3 is a factor, x is another factor, y is another factor. These are called factors. See, we studied terms are separated by addition. Now, terms are formed by factors. Class 7, I know the tree diagram is there. In class 7, I remember in that. Tree diagram, we studied expression. Like this expression, what is that? The terms. Expressions are formed by terms. Then terms are formed by factors. Factors, expressions. Are you remembering or not? Expressions. Factors. Suppose x, 2x is a factor, 5 is another factor. This 2x and 5 maybe 2x plus 5 is a term. 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5. Now, this is an expression 2x plus 5. That means factors. Terms are made by factors. Here look that 3 into x, y, or half, you can say a, B, C, D by 2. Tell me the factors for this one. A into factors are, can I say A, B, C, D and half. Alle? A is a factor, B is a factor, C is a factor, D is a factor, and 1 by 2 is a fraction. 1 by 2 into A, B, C, D, this one. 1 by 2 into A into B into C into D. A is a factor, B is a factor, C is a factor, D is a factor, half is a factor. 3xy. 3 is a factor, x is a factor, y is a factor. മനസ്സിലായോ? What I told, terms, then factors and coefficients. ഈ മൂന്ന് സംഭവം മനസ്സിലായോ?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
Tell me how many minutes are there? എത്ര minutes ഉണ്ട്? And they're taking
2.
2 minutes. Okay. Now, here, all of you look here. 9.3 monomials, binomials and polynomial. വ്യത്യാസം വലിയ കാര്യമൊന്നുമല്ല. One monomial. One term. ഒരു ടേമിലെ എക്സ്പ്രഷൻ monomial. Terms. ഒരു ടേമിലെ XYZ. It is a monomial. ABC is a monomial. 5x is a monomial. An algebraic expression, one term is called monomial and two terms is called binomial. 3x minus 2, 5m minus or plus 2, 10x minus 100. Two terms, that is binomial. Bi means 2. Now we are coming to trinomial. That means triangle, 3 terms. S plus 2y plus z. That is a trinomial. Very fast you can understand what I told here. Monomial, binomial and trinomial. Many examples we can say. One term, monomial, ABC, 2ABC. You are a monomial, 2ABC. Now, A plus B or 2A plus B or 5A plus B. You are a binomial. Second is binomial, 2 terms. You are a monomial. And third one, you can say 4x minus 2y plus 100. You are a trinomial. 1, 2, 3. 3 terms are the triangle trinomial. 4x is one term, minus 2y second term, 100 is the third term. Here 5y is the one term, b is the second term. That means binomial, this is trinomial. Adu padikka. Trinomial. Monomial, one term. A, B, C and 2. These are called factors. Here 5 is a factor, A is a factor, B is a factor. Understand? Don't confuse factors and terms. Terms are formed by factors. Expressions are formed by terms. Terms are separated by addition. Now one more thing, last but not the least, that is polynomial. Don't confuse poly means many, no. Don't confuse. Now see that what is polynomial, what they are telling. In general, expression containing one or more terms with non-zero coefficient is called a polynomial. A polynomial may be one term, 2 terms or 3 terms. See, last one I told you, monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. It is not new for you, polynomial. These all are called polynomial. Don't confuse many terms. Monomial is a polynomial, binomial is a polynomial, Trinomial is a polynomial. Quadrinomial, that means four terms. These all are polynomial. All expression. What expression we studied? These all are called polynomial. Okay, read from home that up to polynomial. What I told, page number 138, you can see monomial, binomial, and polynomial. These all are called polynomial. Okay, now read the chapter, understand. Okay, then, thank you.